Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Joe. On behalf of the entire Board of Directors of Catholic Health Services, I'd like to welcome you here and thank you for your support. I won't talk long, but I did have a few comments before I introduce the Archbishop. I assume most of you know, but Catholic Health Services provides services for the low-income elderly, for children from disadvantaged families through Head Start, people that are developmentally disabled, and many other people that do not have economic resources and that are struggling economically. And because of that, it's been a challenge for years to make ends meet at Catholic Health Services. But despite these challenges, we have continued to grow, we've continued to prosper. It seems like each year we touch more people, each year we do a better job than we did the year before. And I want to share with you the two reasons I think we've been successful. The first reason is, I believe in my heart that God helps those who want to do good things, and we do many good things at Catholic Health Services. And the second reason for our success is because of the people of Catholic Health Services. But when I think of the people of Catholic Health Services, I think about the volunteers. I think about people who support us financially, like the people in this room tonight. I think about the physicians that treat our patients. I think about, of course, our 2,000 employees that work so hard each day. But when I think about the 2,000 employees, I don't just think about my good friend Joe Catania that I've known for 20 years, but I think about also the food service workers and the people that keep our facilities so clean. I think about the frontline caregivers, the aides and the nurses. That's the people I think about, and they make such a difference in the lives of so many, and I think it's the secret to our success. Each year since I've been chairman of the board of Catholic Health Services, I've asked you to help me celebrate and honor the employees of Catholic Health Services, and I'm going to ask you to do that again tonight. So please, I invite you to join me in a standing ovation for the employees of Catholic Health Services. Thank you very much. One last thing I wanted to mention, this room is beautiful and this party is great. And that didn't just happen. There's a team of people that work on this, and they spend a good portion of the year making sure this is a very successful event. The chairman of the Ball is Tom Cornish. He's been a long time, very loyal and generous supporter of Catholic Health Services, so we'd like to thank him for his work. But there's also other people on the team. That would be Joe, for example, Lori, Linda, Michael. And that team is led by our own Vice President of Public Relations and Marketing, and that's Maria Miranda, our own Maria Miranda. Yes, thank you. You beat me to the punch, but I was going to ask you to give an ovation to thank these people for their good work, so thank you very much. One last thing. Thank you again for your support. I hope you have a great time at this party tonight. I ask you to please be safe. Please don't drink and drive. And now, with that, I'd like to invite Archbishop Winsky to lead us in prayer.